Yeah, I don't even know what's in this box.
If only you could see inside my secret box, it would change your life.
I have that box and then I have this other box.
Inside this very box is the most secret-y secret in all of secretdom.
Before we get into the video today, I would love to show you why it takes approximately 84 business years for me to edit every video.
This is Sadie. Sadie baby munchkin. Oh, and there's Audrey. Oh, I got the sweetest babies. I've been on a hike. Can't even talk. So it's like 3 in the morning. She's like the sweetest cat in the whole world. Anyone who's met her would say the same. She just went right into the shell where I took the box out. That's so funny. What is happening? Oh my lord. Hello. I don't know why I did that. Sorry, I'm just putting something down. Gotta get the hair right. There's been a few different things just pulling on my energy lately. And I am